Today's lesson is the fifth lesson in topic 10, solve time problems. And this lesson is very different because we will go through things today in different way. We need to solve by the end questions like these questions, how many minutes or how many weeks and something. So to start, my heroes, I will use a blank page. I will use this page and I will tell you the problems that I have and you will help me to solve. So let's start with the first thing. I know that you have how many sessions every day? 5? Okay. So let's consider the sessions. We have 5 sessions. And each session, how many hours? 40 minutes, right? Okay, 40 minutes. So the 40 minutes, my heroes, it's 2/3 hour. Okay? So let's find how many hours do we spend in the sessions. I need help. So let me choose one of the heroes to help me to find the time that we spend in the sessions. Abdullah Al-Qadi? You cannot see the screen? Okay, I will turn off the camera. Just give me a second. So, tell me, what should I write? 5, huh? Two-thirds, okay. Do it. And of course, the denominator. Excellent. So, it's 10/3. But 10/3, this is improper fraction, right? So, we need to do something here. Let's do it. Mm-hmm. 10 divided by 3 equals? Ali Al-Ghafli, mute your mic. 10 divided by 3 equals 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Yes, I want a number to multiply by 3 gives 10 or less than 10. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Subtract. 9. Okay, so what is the whole number? And what is the numerator? And what is the denominator? Okay, so the answer is we spend 3 1/3 hour every day in the sessions. Okay, thank you, Abdullah, for helping. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, let's see another one. The next question that I want to ask is this is good one. How many my heroes, I don't like to say mute your mics. I will give notes. So everyone check your mic. How many weeks are there in 28 days? Please, my heroes, do not use your mics without permission. And this time, if you have the answer, say your name. Okay, who else? Okay, okay. Okay, okay, Ali. Who else? Okay, great. So let's start with Ahmed. Everyone mute your mics. Mute your mics. Ahmed? You said that you have the answer. Okay, can you explain why? Okay, but if we want to use the 28, how to use the 28? Divide 4. Oh, yes, 7, because how many days in the week? 7 days equals 4. And the answer is 4. For what? For weeks. Excellent, Ahmed. Great work, Ahmed Sirhid. Great work, Ahmed Sirhid. Okay, my heroes. So, now you see that we can multiply the time and we can divide the time. Can we add and subtract time? Let's try it. Down here, let's write question. Like, I think we may need to use hours and minutes. So what about 4 hours, 20 minutes? I need to add this to 2 hours and 30 minutes. So 4 hours, 20 minutes, and extra more 2 hours, 30 minutes. I don't know. Well, I think we may add minutes plus minutes and hours plus hours. This may be a solution. What do you think, Abdulaziz Maher? Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz Maher? Okay, Abdulaziz is not answering me. Al Ghafli?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ali, I think it's okay to add minutes plus minutes and hours plus hours. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Go ahead. Start with minutes, of course.
20 plus 30 equal 50.
Okay, just give me a second. Thamer. Okay, Abdulaziz, wait. Now Ali is answering. And Thamer, you have a note? Give me a second to write this note. Thamer, you have a note for using the mic. Okay, continue, Ali. 20 plus 50, yes? Sorry, 20 plus 30.
50, teacher.
50 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay, and the hours?
6 plus 4 plus 2 equals 6.
So it's 6 hours and 50 minutes. Oh, so it's the same. We can do this. We can add time. Excellent, Ali. Thank you. Let's try subtracting time, my heroes. And let's try question. If I have 5 hours and 40 minutes. Yes, what do you want?
If, for example, I'm adding like more, if I'm, for example, 6 hours plus 5 hours, it would be 11 hours, and the minutes, like 34, 30 and 35, it would be 60 minutes, 1 hour and 5 minutes. How am I supposed to add?
This is a good question. But let me first see the subtraction, how we can do it. Then I like your question. Then I will let you tell me the question, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, Abdulaziz Al-Hussein, Abdulaziz Maher. I have 5 hours, 40. I want to take away. Take away means minus. Take away 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay.
It will be 2 hours and
I prefer to start with minutes, okay? I prefer to start with minutes. Then hours. We need to explain to your friends. 0 minus 5.
0 minus 5 is 1.
No, cannot be done.
0, 0, I mean.
Cannot be done. 0 minus 5 cannot be done. So we borrow 1 from the 4. It will be 3.
It will be 3.
And the 0 will be? Okay, 10 minus 5. 3 minus 1 equals... okay, as you said, 25 minutes. I agree. Now, the hours? So 2 hours and 25 minutes. Thank you, Abdulaziz. Great work. Okay, my heroes, as you can see here, yes, we can add and we can subtract time. But Muhammad, he asked me a question. We need to see this. Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay, let's write a question to consider what you said. Okay, what about using 3 hours?
What I meant was 8 hours plus 7 hours and 30 minutes plus 35 minutes.
Oh, you mean if we have more than, so this is 40 if I use here, for example, 32 minutes. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, and let's write anything here, 2 hours. This is your question, right?
Yeah, but I.
Okay, solve it. Let's try to do it. Let's try.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay. 40 plus 32 equals 72. And 3
Just
plus 2.
a second. I want to change this color. You said 72 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. And the hours?
And the hours, 3 plus 2 equals 5.
5 hours. Okay, so what is the problem?
My problem is that how can I add more than, well, if I count 1 hour, it should be 60 minutes only, but 72 is more than, which means 1 hour and 12 minutes.
Yes, that's it. So let's write this as 60 minutes plus 12 minutes. So the 60 minutes is 1 hour. And we have left 12 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, so I will write here the final answer. Tell me the final answer. Okay. So the 5 hours will be?
Will be minutes.
The 5, we will add 1 hour to the 5. So the total number of hours now, the total number of hours, wait, someone is using the mic.
What, teacher?
Someone is using the mic, wait. Okay, now it's off. How many hours do we have? We have 5 and another 1.
5 hours. We have 5 hours and 2 minutes. So I can solve the 60 in 1 hour.
Yes, I said continue. Now do it. How many hours in all do you have now?
I take the hour, 5 hours, I take from 5 hours 1 hour. So all I have left now is 4.
You will take from the 5 hours,
Yes.
but we will not take from the hours. We have 5 and an extra 1.
Oh, okay, so it will be 6 hours.
So it's all 6 hours. And how many minutes left?
Minutes left will be 12 minutes.
12 minutes. So what we did here, we changed the 72, we converted this, the 72 minutes, we made it 60 minutes.
Made it 1 hour.
Excellent. 1 hour and 12 minutes.
And we add it to the hours, and then all we have left is 12 minutes.
Excellent.
The answer was 12 minutes.
Excellent. And we need to name this. So let's say regroup. Let's name this regroup. Because we regroup from minutes to hours. We take from the minutes to give the hours. Right?
So you're saying this way the 12 minutes was a regroup.
The 72 minutes needs regrouping because it's more than 60. Yes, thank you, Muhammad. This is a good question and this is good one. Okay, my here's what about subtraction? I have an idea. Let's try one. Let's try subtraction. What about if we have 4 hours and 10 minutes? We need to take away 1 hour and 40 minutes. And Muhammad Abdul Hafiz.
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad, do you see the problem here?
No.
No. This is the problem.
4 minus 1.
What? It's 10 minus 40. Do not change the places. It's not commutative. 10 minus 40 is 30. But I think we cannot subtract 10 minus 40. Cannot be done. So we have a problem, right?
Right.
I need help, my heroes. Okay. Mic's off. Do not repeat your name. Do not repeat. I heard everyone. Okay, Muhammad, I know that you are here, but I will take a little help from Salman and I will continue with you. Okay, Salman, how can we solve the problem? I cannot subtract 10 minus 40. Cannot be done.
Because 4 minus 1, it can't be. So we're gonna take away from the 4. It's gonna be
Which 4? Which 4?
an hour.
Oh, you mean this 4, this one, and it will be 3? Okay, I'm with you. Continue. Okay, this will be 3.
And then 10 changed to
11. So what you mean? You will take 1 hour from the hours and give it to 2 minutes, right?
Yes.
And each 1 hour worth how many minutes?
How many minutes? Wait. It's how many minutes?
The 1 hour is how many minutes?
1 hour. 6.
So we will put 60 to the minutes. And we have already 10 minutes. So how many minutes in all now? Oh, I know what you mean. So what you mean is we will take away from the hours 1 hour and give it to the minutes This is regrouping. Oh, so in subtraction we start with the regroup. If we need to regroup in subtraction, we will face the problem first thing, and we need to first do regrouping. Okay, thank you, Salman. Back to Muhammad. Muhammad. Okay, now it's 70 minutes, and of course 3 hours and 70 minutes minus 1 hour and 40 minutes. Muhammad Abdul Hafiz. Muhammad. Muhammad, I said stay with us. Muhammad, use your mic. I cannot hear you. Okay, another hero. No, I will call the name. Rakan? Rakan? Okay, Rakan, go ahead. Now we have 70 minutes minus 40 minutes. Quickly, my hero. Okay. Quickly, my hero. 70 minus 40 equals? So we have 30 minutes, and the hours. How 3? Because we have 3 hours, and down here we have 1 hour. So take away 1 hour from the 3 hours. Take away minus. My hero, you need to focus. Okay, so it's 2 hours and 30 minutes. Thank you, my hero. So, my heroes, we can do operations on time. We can multiply time, as you see here. We can divide time. We can add and subtract times, and also we may regroup if needed. In addition, we regroup after the solution, after finding the sum. But in subtraction, we do it before we subtract. So in addition, we regroup after adding the two times, and in subtraction we do it before we subtract. Any questions? So now, my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game. Of course, Ibrahim.
Can I write what you wrote? To make it more easier for me.
I may say that to you. Okay, Ibrahim, what do you want? Regroup. What we are doing here, we call it regroup. Using 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay? So, take from the hours 1 and give it to the minutes. So, how many minutes? How many minutes in 1 hour? Yes, this is the problem here. How many minutes in 1 hour? You took from the hour and give it to the minute. Respond to me. How many minutes in 1 hour? Yes, what? How many?
You go. I don't know.
You don't know how many minutes in 1 hour? 60. So we add 60 minutes to the 10 minutes that we have already. Okay, Ibrahim?
Can you go to the situation for the problem for the plus? I just want to write it, please.
Oh, okay. Okay, Ibrahim, is it okay now? Okay, now my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game. 1. My heroes, now it's the time to solve. So everyone focus on the screen. We'll start with the first question here. And Ibrahim, go ahead.
Yes. This is 15 minutes plus 28 minutes.
Just okay, just give me a second because this is not with the question. This is the number of the question. Okay, 15 plus 28, 5 plus 3 plus 8.
So 5 plus 8.
Mm-hmm.
13.
3 and carry up 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 2.
1 or 2, 2 plus 2, 2.
So 43 minutes.
And this 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 hours and 43.
So the answer is 5 hours and 43 minutes.
Teacher,
Yes.
there's something I don't know what's named this thing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what's named.
I don't know what you want. Do you have any problems here in this question? Okay, maybe you want to know how to regroup, and in this question we don't need to regroup because the number of minutes is less than 60. Okay,
Teacher, there's a mistake.
in which one?
In 5 hours and 5 minutes and 1 hour.
Okay, I will move to it, but now we are solving question number 2. Okay, and life 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 Muhammad Zaki Muhammad Zaki Muhammad Zaki. My heroes, do not use your mics if I don't call your name. Nader? Okay, Nader, go ahead. Okay, 78 minutes. Okay, and the hours 2 plus 8.
Equals
10 hours.
78 minutes. It's more than 1 hour, so we need to regroup.
Yes, now we need to regroup. Why, my heroes? Because 78 is more than 60. Okay.
Yeah, more than an hour.
Yes, more than an hour. Okay, and now Nader. Nader, 78 minutes. Let's fix it. Nader. Okay, 1 hour, which is 60 minutes, and 18 minutes left. Okay, if you don't know, my heroes, how to find the 18, simply you can subtract 78 minus 60. It will give you 18 minutes. Okay, so let's rewrite this. How many hours now? 11 hours and 18 minutes. Excellent. So the final answer is 11 hours 18 minutes. Any questions? You're raising your hand. What do you want? Thank you, Nader. Yes, you are raising your hand. What do you want? Okay, Thamir, you will answer the next one. But now I want this one. Any problems with this one? Okay, let's move to the next one. And Thamer. Okay, Thamer. Just a second, Ibrahim is speaking. Okay, Ibrahim, I didn't hear you.
The first was 58, this is 60.
How many minutes in 1 hour?
60.
Okay, take away 60 from the 78. The remaining will be 18 minutes. Okay, so it's 1 hour, 18 minutes. Thamer, 5 minus 30 cannot be done. So we need to regroup, right? Okay, so let's regroup. How can we regroup? The 5 will be 4 hours. How 6? We will take away from the hours and give it to the minutes. The 1 hour, how many minutes? 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So the 5 will be 65 minutes. Okay, now subtract. 65 minus 30. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 and 6 minus 3. 4 hours minus 1 hour. 3 hours. Okay, so the answer is yes. Thank you, my hero. Okay, everyone, do you have any problems, any questions? Okay,
No.
thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow and goodbye.
Goodbye. Teacher, I like the lesson so much.
Thank you, my hero. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.